This set of bar stools really blends in with any environment, and I think what really stands out about these is how solid they are. They can actually withstand a weight of 300 pounds per chair, but also the design, which is modern, is going to fit in well with any kitchen or office environment, or perhaps you would be using those chairs at a coffee shop. There are so many different situations where you can use these, and they are extremely comfortable to sit on, and they're made of really high quality materials. So let's go ahead and get into the details of what you can expect with the unboxing of these. We were able to assemble our set of these 4 gray bar stool chairs in less than 20 minutes. The directions are very self-explanatory. The manufacturer gives you extra screws if you need them, and once you're able to screw in the bottom, the actual chair part just positions at the top perfectly, and you screw those in, and you just do one chair at a time. And once we were finished with that unboxing and assembly, we put our chairs in the kitchen and they were ready for use. Now, the ideal counter height for these bar stools is a counter of 35 to 40 inches, which is what you're seeing here, and that's because the bar stools themselves are 26 inches tall from the bottom to the base, where the initial cushion of the chair is. The actual bar stool goes up to 37.4 inches if you measure it from the bottom to the very top of the back of the chair, but you want to measure where you're going to be sitting and where that counter is in relation to it, and the situation that you're seeing here is really the perfect setup for this. I mentioned that it's durable with a weight capacity of 300 pounds per chair. It's ergonomic with a unique design cushion in the back. It's kind of angled in a way that makes it really comfortable to sit on for hours on end. There are these anti-slip protectors at the bottom of these bar stools to prevent the floor from scratching, so they are innovative in their design. The cushion is excellent. It's waterproof leather. It's easy to clean. And overall, I'm just really satisfied with this set of bar stools. You can really match this with so many different environments because of the contemporary design, and it does have that L-shaped high back curved ergonomic backrest seat, which increases the depth and width of the seat to make it more comfortable to sit on. It's equipped with that curved seat and metal legs, so you can lean on the back of the stool if you want to do that, and put your legs on a footstool if you want to try out that combination. The bar stool pairs a contemporary and industrial appearance, and the design lends style with its simple seat and clean lines, and you'll notice that it has this unique zigzag double stitching on the bar stools, which offer a decorative detail and an extra dose of modern charm. And we just love how these fit in with our kitchen, but you can picture this in so many other different rooms of the house. Bottom line is that these are extremely comfortable. They are durable. 2 thumbs up. Hope this review helps, and thanks for watching.